continuing what I was saying about making videos and that you don't have to be a standard vlogger, the reason I'm not interested in being in front of the camera, because this is my skill. This is what I'm good at. And what I'm showing you here is me. This is myself. This is how I see the world. And to do this kind of thing, you come out into nature. If you're in an area where people walk, you do sometimes have to wait. So this is not something that will happen instantly. You do have to take the time to wait for the moment where you can get to work. Now, one of the most important things that I've become aware of recently is that you have to observe how nature is structured. And how nature functions. Because within matter are the secrets as to how to create balance and harmony. And if we don't go out and observe this, and I'm not talking about going for walks saying, oh, how beautiful, and I've just been rejuvenated, but sorry. But to go out into nature and understand the natural science behind what we're seeing. Because it's all very well that an individual can become rejuvenated by a walk in nature, but we're creating a lot of damage on this planet, and that has to be corrected. I don't think humans are going to destroy the planet. I think they're going to destroy themselves. So out in nature actually is a hidden science. And this is a code that is revealing, lichen. I love lichen. This is a code that is revealing harmonic frequencies and harmonic structure, which would lead to us being able to build harmonically. Because humans cannot any longer afford, considering the population density, can no longer afford to build non-organic structures. Mankind, we got away with it up until now because the populations were not as such that it would become a threat to our existence. Everyone says, oh, destroy the earth. No, it's our existence, because we are behaving like a parasite on the surface of the planet. Now in here are all the structure codes hidden in matter that the human mind has the ability to decode and understand and build accordingly. And sure, if it's just one or two people on the planet, a small number, building the way the structures are being built now that humans inhabit, but that also has a destructive effect on the electrofrequencies of the ground, the area, that multiplied by billions squared is causing a disharmonic disruption to the frequency of the planet, the areas where these structures are built. So snowdrops are my favourite, so I'm going to end with the snowdrops. But this video is just to begin a discovery that where humans finally build harmonically and end this structural frequency disturbance of the planet, and that's the planet we inhabit.